The posture is this. We'll have our elbows by the body and our hands are flat. Our thumbs are stretched away from the hands. And you want to make sure that your palms are at a 45-degree angle. So from here to here is 45 degrees. So it's not straight up like this, it's out slightly. And the fingers are together and then the thumbs are separate. It's really important to keep the stretch of the thumbs away from the fingers. Now, our eyes are going to be looking at the tip of the nose. So let's create our alignment, create the mudra. Let the gaze be down towards the tip of the nose, looking towards the tip of the nose, locking the eyes here. And we'll listen to the sound current for just a few rounds and then we'll begin to chant. And we want to chant exactly as we're hearing it. Sa, se, so, hung. I'll say it. So it's Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, hung. And on the hung, we're going to gently pull our navel in and up. Let's listen one more time and then we'll start. Keep stretching the thumbs away. All right, and now we'll begin. Ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Ra, ma, da, sa, sa, se, so, hung. Now deep breath in. Hold the breath. Let this healing space you've created fill every cell of the body. Feel all the sensations in your body. Allow the vibration of the mantra to penetrate. Feel the mantra resonating. Become the healing vibration. Exhale. Inhale again. Hold. Go deeper into that healing space that you've created. Concentrate on yourself. Feel all the sensations in your body. Allow the vibration of the mantra to penetrate. Be healed and uplifted. Exhale. Again, deep breath in. Hold the breath. Feel the healing love pulse in your heart. Invite in friends, members of your family, situations. Allow them to be bathed in this healing vibration. Hold them in your body, in your heart, and in the healing vibration. Exhale. Inhale deeply, holding the breath. Feel your heart is so big and the love so infinite, you can hold the whole earth in your heart. Let the earth pulse with the mantra and be healed with this love. Exhale. And one last time, please. Inhale deeply, holding the breath, inviting whomever you would like into this space, inviting the high holy ones, Guru Ram Das, the Christ consciousness, Krishna, Mother Mary, Mary Magdalene, the Sacred Feminine, the Dalai Lama, anyone that you wish to bring in. Feel all of these beings and yourself be very attentive and feel very deeply elevated into your heart. And exhale. And relax the hands down. And just sit quietly and feel all this amazing sun vibrational energy in every cell of your being.